What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. This is my 2006 BMW 330i. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the engine air filter. Now this specific engine is the N52 engine, and this applies through to the year from 2006 all the way through to the year 2012. Now this will work for the BMW 1 Series, 3 Series and 5 Series. So now this is the EU model filter. Now the North American filter will be slightly different, but it's almost the same process anyway. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a ratchet, a small extension for a smaller 1/4, and you're going to need a T25 Torx. And what you're going to do is you're going to clip that in, and you're going to press this one and you're going to clip it in, so you've got this one nice and secure. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I've got a lot of BMW how-to DIY videos as well as Toyota videos, and also how to take care of your vehicle. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take off these screws around this area. So I'm going to start there. Alright guys, so from what I can see, this one is relatively loose. Now I'm getting only like 13 miles per gallon, so I suspect that something is not quite right here. As you can see around this area here, there's quite a bit of a gap. It looks like there's a crack and there's a gap, so I do think there's a slight vacuum leak there, which I'm going to take a look at soon. Alright guys, so now that you've got all these screws around these edges out, you're going to lift it up like so, and you're going to slowly pull it out. Okay, so there's no cracks on this plastic, which is quite good, but as you can see, the little bit around here has cracked, so I might need to replace that part. So now to take out this filter, what you need to do is there's two little notches right here, so you can come this side, and the notches are here and here. So you need to pinch that notch and pull outwards towards the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to pinch it, and we're going to push this one outwards. Like so. Now you can see that one of the mounting tabs here is actually broken. There you go, it's actually snapped. This filter already looks quite dirty. It's quite old. And let's see if there is, yeah, so it's made in the year 2009, so that has not been changed for a very long time. Alright guys, as you can see, it's quite dirty in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a replacement filter, and then I'm going to get this one changed out, and I'm going to clean this area. Alright guys, so as you can see, this one was made in 2008 and is now the year 2021. Now I would not recommend cleaning the filter. Give it a replacement, but just for the sake of this video, just think as though it's a new replacement. This part is broken, can't do much about it. So when you're going to put it back, what you need to do is you need to fit it in here, and you need to line it up, and you need to make sure that this part lines up with this hole right here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is now you're going to push it inwards, and then you're going to push it inwards, and as you can see, the filter has been already put back into its resting position, and then all you need to do is you just need to fit it back and fit the screws back in. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to slide it back in here first. And so now this air duct piece is also broken, so I'm going to get that one replaced very soon. Now that is nice and secure, we're going to secure it back with the screws. Alright guys, now that we got it all nice and fitted, now this side is broken. I definitely have to get that one fixed, but for the most part it's nice and secure now. Alright guys, and you get the drill. You just need to tighten down the screws, tighten it down just clockwise, and then once you're done, I'll just show you the end result. Alright guys, that concludes the engine air filter change on a BMW N52 from the year 2005 all the way through to the year 2012. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and consider sharing this with your friends, and also comment if you'd like. Thanks, have a good day. Bye.